Hello, welcome to How to Grow Salvias from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available at most garden stores. On the reverse of the packet you'll find growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Plant the seeds in a propagator tray. A propagator tray is a small shallow tray with a clear plastic lid that's ideal for germinating seeds. First, fill the tray with compost. Press the compost down firmly to remove any air pockets. Now water the compost. We're doing this now because if we did it later, it would wash the seeds away. Take a handful of seeds and place one roughly an inch apart on the surface of the compost. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets. Fit a label and then fit the lid of the propagator tray and keep the tray at between 18 and 24 degrees C. Step 3. The seeds will begin to germinate within 14 to 28 days. Step 4. Keep warm and watered and the plants will begin to mature. Step 5. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. You can either use growing trays or individual plant pots. Fill the pot with compost. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets. Now water the compost. Make a small hole in the centre of each pot, ready for the plant to be inserted. Before transplanting, give the plants a good watering. Hold the plant by the leaf and try to remove as much root as you can. Insert the plant into the pot and gently press the compost around its root. Finally, water the plant to get the roots established. Step 6. Keep the plants warm and watered. Step 7. When the risk of any frost has passed, it's time to plant the plants outside. First, dig your soil and remove any weeds. Now rake the soil into a fine tilth. Give the plants a good watering before planting out. Mark your border with a straight line, then dig a hole with a gardening trowel. Carefully insert the plant into the hole and firmly press the soil around its root. Step 8. The flowers will begin to appear and give you a good display throughout the summer. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.